As a young person, it can be daunting to think about entering the workforce with little to no practical experience. While education is important, it's the real-world application of that knowledge that can make all the difference in the job market. So, how can youth gain practical experience when they're just starting out? In this video, we'll explore various ways to get hands-on experience, build your skill set, and boost your confidence in the working world. From internships to volunteer work, there are numerous opportunities out there for young people to gain real-world experience and become more competitive in the job market. What is practical experience? Practical experience is hands-on experience that enables individuals to develop and hone their skills in a real-world environment. It involves working in a professional setting, interacting with clients, colleagues, and customers, and being accountable for the tasks and responsibilities assigned to you. Practical experience can come in many forms, including internships, volunteer work, part-time or full-time jobs, or even personal projects. The goal is to provide individuals with an opportunity to apply the knowledge they have learned in the classroom to practical situations and develop the skills needed to succeed in their future careers. Practical experience can also help individuals to gain confidence in their abilities, develop their work ethic, and establish a professional network that can be invaluable when looking for job opportunities in the future. It allows individuals to learn from their mistakes, receive feedback from supervisors, and continuously improve their skills. Overall, practical experience is an essential part of personal and professional growth, and it is something that every young person should seek out to achieve their career goals. The benefits of gaining practical experience. There are countless benefits to gaining practical experience. Here are just a few. Hands-on learning. Practical experience allows you to apply the skills you learn in a classroom to real-world situations. It helps you understand how theory translates to practice. Industry insights. By working in a particular field, you'll gain valuable insights into industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices. Professional network. Practical experience is a great way to network with professionals in your industry. By meeting and working with people who have experience in your desired field, you'll gain access to new job opportunities and professional connections. Confidence building. Practical experience allows you to test and refine your skills. It gives you a sense of accomplishment, boosts your confidence, and helps you stand out to potential employers. Resume booster. Practical experience is a great addition to any resume. It shows that you have the skills and knowledge to work in a particular field and have experience putting those skills into practice. Clarifies career goals. Practical experience can help you identify whether or not you want to pursue a particular career path. You may discover a passion for something you hadn't previously considered, or decide to pursue a different career path altogether. In short, gaining practical experience is a great way to gain valuable skills, make connections in your industry, and build your confidence in resume. How to gain practical experience? Now that we've established the benefits of practical experience, you may be wondering how to actually gain it. Here are some tips. Research and networking. Start by researching companies, organizations, and individuals in your field of interest. Connect with professionals in your desired industry through social media, events, and networking opportunities. Don't be afraid to ask for advice or an informational interview. Internships. Internships are a great way to gain practical experience in your field. They offer hands-on learning opportunities and often lead to job offers. Search for internships through online job boards, university career centers, and company websites. Volunteering. Volunteering can also provide valuable practical experience. Look for non-profit organizations, community groups, and other volunteer opportunities that align with your interests and goals. You may be able to work on projects related to your desired career field. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, consider freelancing. Offer your services to local businesses or start your own online freelance business. This can provide you with real-world experience and help build your portfolio. Shadowing. Shadowing involves following a professional in your desired field to gain insight into their daily work. This can be arranged through networking or by contacting professionals directly. Shadowing can help you understand what it takes to be successful in your field. When gaining practical experience, it's important to stay open-minded and willing to learn. Remember that not all experiences will be a perfect fit, but they can still provide valuable lessons and skills. Keep your eyes and ears open for opportunities, and don't be afraid to take a leap of faith. Practical experience is a valuable tool for building your career, and the sooner you start, the better off you'll be. The difference between internships and volunteering. When looking for opportunities to gain practical experience, you may come across both internships and volunteering opportunities. While they may seem similar, there are some key differences between the two. Internships are typically more structured and focused on a specific industry or career path. They are usually more formal than volunteering and often come with a set schedule, specific tasks, and the possibility of receiving academic credit or payment. Internships provide a great opportunity to gain hands-on experience and work with professionals in your field of interest. Volunteering, on the other hand, is typically more flexible and diverse. It can involve a range of activities and may not be directly related to your career goals. Volunteering allows you to contribute to your community while also developing skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Both internships and volunteering can be valuable in gaining practical experience, and the choice between the two depends on your goals and preferences. If you have a clear career path in mind, an internship may be the best choice. If you want to explore different opportunities and give back to your community, volunteering may be the better option. Regardless of which option you choose, both internships and volunteering provide a great opportunity to gain practical experience and develop skills that will be valuable in your future career. Finding the right opportunity for you. With the abundance of options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right opportunity to gain practical experience. Here are some tips to help you find the perfect fit. Identify your interests and goals. Think about your career goals and interests. What kind of experience will be most beneficial for your future plans? If you're interested in the fashion industry, for example, try finding a fashion internship or volunteering at a local fashion event. Network with professionals. Talk to professionals in your desired field. Attend networking events or join industry groups on LinkedIn. Not only will you gain valuable contacts, but you'll also gain insights on what kind of opportunities are available. Utilize job boards. Search job boards for entry-level positions, internships, and volunteer opportunities. Websites like Indeed and Glassdoor can help you find opportunities based on your location and interests. Reach out to companies directly. If there's a specific company you're interested in working with, don't be afraid to reach out to them directly. Send an email expressing your interest in working with them and attach your resume. Consider your availability. Before committing to an opportunity, make sure you consider your availability. Will you be able to commit to a full-time internship, or will you only be available on weekends to volunteer? Make sure you choose an opportunity that works for your schedule. Remember, gaining practical experience is all about taking advantage of opportunities and learning as much as possible. With the right approach, you can find the perfect opportunity to kickstart your career. Summary: gaining practical experience is a vital part of youth development and preparation for the workforce. Practical experience provides a range of benefits including enhancing skills and knowledge, improving job prospects, and building professional networks. There are different ways of gaining practical experience, such as internships, volunteering, and part-time jobs. It is essential to understand the difference between these options and find the right opportunity that aligns with your interests, goals, and skills. Ultimately, by taking advantage of these opportunities, youth can build real-world experience and increase their chances of success in their future careers. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more awesome contents.